everyone. How you doing? It's Carrie from Wildflower Art by Carrie. Good afternoon. Happy Veterans Day for anyone here in the U.S. And if you are a veteran, thank you for your service. My husband is a 22-year veteran of the Air Force and retired honorably. So I was a military spouse for a couple years. Not a couple, but probably like 13 years when we got married. So anyway, happy Veterans Day. You all have a special place in my heart. But I just want to do a quick garden chat today. This is something new. I'm using my iPad today. Usually you don't see me in front of the camera. I'm usually behind the camera doing my garden tours, but I figured today I'd kind of play around with my iPad and just kind of clean up some of the annuals and perennials that I brought down here into the greenhouse, my wildflower casita. And I kind of just threw these guys in here a couple weeks ago because we had a little cold snap come through. So now I am gonna go through and kind of deadhead some stuff and pick some seeds out. I have a citrus marigold here that I started back this summer with just a seed packet and sprinkled it into this little rectangular planter. And it is crazy how big it is. So I gotta cut it back and take the dead off. So while I'm doing that, I figured I would put the camera out and just have a little chat with you all today. Anyone out there that's still doing any gardening? I'm in New Mexico, growing zone 7B. So today is a beautiful day. It is. And I have a little butter dish here, and I'm putting my spent bloom heads in because these have seeds in them. So if I pull these out, I don't know if you, whoops, it popped right out of my hand. Let me grab it. It's kind of hard to do with gloves on. But let's see here. I don't know if you can see all these. I gotta get my hands just right. All these little marigold seeds. So I wanna keep these, and then next year I will go ahead and plant them, and they will sow again. So I'm kind of just taking off some of the extra part of the plant, and I have a little. I like these pop-up bags. They collapse. So then you can store them, and then you just pop them open, and you can put all your little clippings and things in that. So I have that over here.